Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be solving our linear equation. We're going to be solving for x. So what we're going to do first is we are going to take our -8 that's outside of our parentheses and distribute it. Remember our order of operations with PEMDAS. So we end up with -64 plus 8x equals -104. From here, to get x by itself, we want to use our inverse operations. So I'm going to add 64 to both sides because we want to keep our equation balanced. So we're left with 8x equals a -40. Using inverse operations again, we're going to divide by 8 on both sides to get that x by itself. So we are left with x equals -5. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.